I'm going to try and make a chicken sound. You tell me if this
A
works.
chicken
Mel.
sound with
Yeah.
a plastic cup and a string and a wet paper towel?
See if you believe it. Ready? Here we go.
That's exactly what that sounds like.
So all we're doing with this little cup and making a little chicken demo is there's vibrations as the friction on the string rubs against the paper towel. It vibrates the bottom of this cup. It's a diaphragm. It's like a drum. And then it's amplified through the cup. So it becomes like a little speaker. In other words, if I take this same string and I rub it without the cup, what you would expect to hear, what I anticipate happening, you just don't hear much. You kind of hear it, but it doesn't have that amplification, because what's happening with the bottom of this cup is as I vibrate it, it pushes all the air molecules that are up against the bottom of this cup. It pushes them out.